Hi. So I just really got home from work. I worked the night shift last night and then drove home. I'm pretty excited. I want to get dessert made before Brett gets home. And I'm going to try and make a pineapple upside down cake in my stack cooker. So pretty excited about that. And then Brett wants to make dinner later tonight because we've just got the new Tupperware Micro Pro Grill. So I'm very excited to have this, and I'm hoping that dinner turns out really good tonight. So, for the pineapple upside down cake, the first thing that I'm gonna put in here is some butter, and then I'm gonna get this melting. Get all the paper off. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put it at like a minute and a half, maybe half power, and see what happens with that. Then so while that's going, I'm gonna try and drain the juice out of my pineapple can here, because I'm gonna need to save that for the recipe. So there's all the juice. Yummy. Let me tell you, I am using my new measuring weights. I love the color. I absolutely love it. And the fact that there are 6 of these is kind of amazing in itself. So all different sizes. I'm going to be using the half cup measure when I get my brown sugar. So I've got that all ready. Oh, I can hear that butter sizzling away. Well, we'll let it go for a few more seconds and it should be good. This is going to be good. I don't think matter of fact, I know in all the years that Brett and I have been married, I have never made a pineapple upside down cake. So this will be a first. Okay, so I'm using the 3-quart casserole dish, and there's all my melted butter. Yummy, yummy. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is put half a cup of brown sugar, and okay, so let me get my brown sugar. I packed it in there pretty good, so I'm going to help it so I can get a little bit of brown sugar everywhere. Okay. And then I'm going to put the pineapples around. And I just have the rings. Makes the most sense. Let's see here. Get over there. All right. Then maraschino cherries go inside of every pineapple ring. I'm actually putting a couple in each pineapple ring because these are a little bit tiny. And why not? They're going to be yummy. Okay. So right now this is what I've got, just so you can see. And then we're going to mix the cake mix. So I have a yellow cake mix, and I'm going to put it in my Power Chef. And we're just going to see how it works, because I haven't even tried this, remember? Have not tried it. I'm going to add the pineapple juice in here. And then I'm going to add 2 eggs. Wow. If it wants to come out, right? Okay. All right. Remember, this is the lawnmower. Okay, so this is what I've got in here so far. And we're going to see if this works. I have not even tried this. Okay. I think it's coming along pretty well, actually. I mean, it's going to be thick, so keep that in mind. I think it's doing pretty good. Now, I did not put the blades in this time because I didn't need to cut anything up. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, that looks really good. Let me get that off of there. So, yeah, that looks pretty good. So if you can see, it looks just like a cake mix. Ta-da! I'm going to just mix it a few more times just to make sure. But I think it's pretty darn good. I'm impressed so far. There we go. Everything's attached. I think that's decent. And these are really easy to put on and put together. I get the cake mix off of this batter, or the batter off of the blade. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about. It's kind of like a spatula blade. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And then, of course, you know I have my spatula. So I'm just going to pour this over the top. I'll try and be even about it, right? Just putting it all in there. Get it all out. And in case you didn't know, dogs are being good because I give them treats. So, because they were very excited to see me today. Okay, so then I've got the lid. I'm just going to put it on as a lid. And then it's going to go in the microwave for 9 minutes. See you in a minute. Okay, the microwave went off. This is the moment of truth. So there it is. And you know the directions say? Invert it into the lid. I don't think it's going to work. I think the whole thing's going to fall apart. And I'm going to end up with a mess all over my counter and my stove. But, oh ye little faith, I'm going to try it anyway. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Here it is. I'm very nervous. Just so you know, extremely nervous. But I do have some dogs that are willing to clean it up. Here we go. So I inverted it into the lid, and I heard a clunk. I heard a lot of clunk. It's a little steamy hot. I'm so grateful that the handles are Stay Cool handles. Okay, the only thing left in the bowl is some brown sugar. Look at that! I'm so amazed. I'm just so amazed right now. I can't even believe it. I hope it's done. Let's see. Because you know I gotta taste it. I gotta try a bite. Oh, I better try and get some pineapple in there, huh? Gosh, I hate to mess it up. It's so pretty. I'm gonna just take a little bite of the cake. And we'll see. Of course it's hot, Tina. Oh, and I got a dog staring me down. That's not bad. So in the cake mix, when we added the pineapple juice, it's got a little bit of pineapple flavor. Look at that. And this is the cone that goes inside of the stacker cooker. So I'm not going to need that anymore in there. It's full of juice. So I will take that out. All right. Thanks for watching.